Good evening. I welcome you all to this repair channel. It's a new repair channel. Uh, it is a little bit hot in my city. I live in the southern part of Spain, and I'm a repair enthusiast. I like electronics and I like discovering, but I'm basically a programmer. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is the YouTube channel where we'll be dedicating ourselves to exploring various repair from my adventure. Today we have here an Acer computer, an Acer Spiro I think ES5-512. I just bought it from a second-hand shop. Let me see if we'll be lucky to fix it. I will be looking at the current. Here is my charging probe. I think it's a blue, it's a yellow matte Acer charger, and this is connected to my power supply. My power supply is at 19 volts, and the current, if I can see, is about 4 amps at maximum. So let us see. I think the current is, it has dropped to 4 milliamps, and let me see. I'm going to try to switch it on and see if there's a reaction from the fine. It seems it is turning on. It seems it is turning on, and but in any way, I'm not too okay. There's no boot device. I'm not too okay with the initial current, and probably because there's no hard disk in the system. So we are going to explore into the system and see what we have inside. I can only say there is no disk drive which has to be replaced. No, it's just the candy. Anyway, let's go straight into looking at what's inside. We have some missing screws. This is the internal part of the computer. It came with a disk drive that has the means to add an additional hard disk, but I guess I will be replacing it with another candy because I do sell computers. So you can visit my sales shop on www.emotechsystems.com, where you can look into various computers, second-hand refurbished computer with good condition, and our price are negotiable. What actually I want to see here today is if this is actually charging or overheating. I think our current is still the same. Our current is still the same. I'm looking at the charging light which is blinking. You can see over here, and there is no change for now in the current. The current is fluctuating between 250 milliamperes to 160. I just believe that the battery is completely dead. The battery is not as good, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to try and boot it from our boot and hard disk and see if we have image, because that is something altogether different. So let me take off the current. Okay, I will be switching it on. I don't know. Yeah, let me switch on. Okay, we have the on button. I think the on button should be yes. So actually, it is booting. It is turning on, and I can see the current has just jumped to 500 over 500 and over 500 milliamperes, and the dashing light has just stopped, which means the battery is charging. Can we check if actually battery is charging? Let's do that. This is my meter. Oh, I think I don't want us to have reflection. Okay, I'll better put it here so there's no reflection. I'm gonna put it on the voltage mode. I'll put a probe to ground and put one to you can see we have 0.9. The battery is completely discharged. That is the case we have here. Let me go under the microscope and see. I want to go under the microscope and see what we have. Fan is spinning. I'm going to show you the fan is spinning. I just want you to see the battery is not charging, but I believe the battery is completely dead. Yeah, the battery is charging. You can see it. I just increase, oh, decrease again. It is turning off and turning on, which is not a good sign. It is turning off and turning on, which is not a good sign. So let me focus on why it is turning off. I'll take the probe out. Let me go with the microscope and switch on. Let's monitor the current again. I'm trying to see if it's overheating. It doesn't seem to be overheating, but I don't know why it is switching off. Probably the battery is completely discharged. Anyway, I think this computer is very okay, but what I will do, I'm just going to switch it off, clean, replace the thermal paste, and try with a better hard disk, because it is just preparing. Maybe I have to reformat the hard disk because I'm just running it from an hard disk that is already formatted. Like I said, I will be replacing this candle with this one, and it is good to go. It is rebooting again. Let me see. Finally, it is working. I think I'm lucky. This is my first repair video. I've been doing repairs, and I've been practicing. I'm just a repair enthusiast, and I believe you guys are going to learn more and be encouraged to go into the repair business like I do. I think I'm going to pay or appreciation to Mr. Purin, who has been my mentor. I've followed his classes. He's a super teacher. You know, I follow him. I go to his repair classes all the time, and I don't know. He's good at doing repairs. Thank you, Mr. Purin, and I'll get back to you at the end of the video. After I think it's working. That's the truth. It's working. I'm just going to clean and fix it up and get back to you again. Thank you. So let me switch it off and let me take out the battery. It's very important. You have to take out the battery before venturing into taking out any part because of there might be static current hanging somewhere and it can return back and you have a dead computer. So this is the flash from the monitor. I'm picking up the Wi-Fi card so I can get access to, and this is taking off the audio plug. Yeah, do I have any nothing? Okay. Oh, it's interesting making the first video for the first time. It is an interesting one for me, especially. I think the board is out. I will be taking this off. Let's look at the board. Good. I think we have here a 4 GB RAM. Let me take out the heatsink. It is good because I always want to see that all my products are in good shape. You see, probably dry heatsink and there's nothing. So I will be doing some cleaning, clean off the surface, and I will add a new one. Here is my brush. Let me brush off the dust. Okay, you can see it is dusty. Yeah, so I'm going to clean it off. All these are done to improve the working condition of the system. So let us test the internal battery. See if it is okay. It has got 3 volts, which is fine. Also, I want to test the resistance to brand of the entire part. Where do we start from? I think our current comes into the system from I think this is how it is. Okay, the current comes in from here, so which means let's go resistance mode. I'll bring you to the microscope now because that should be the best, because I don't think I can see it clearly. So what I would do now is I'm going to replace the thermopaste, put it all together, and see where we'll go from there. Nice one. There's one common fault in the repair business. When you open a PC, most time you might forget plugging in the fan. I had a problem recently, and I begin to experience overheating. You see, it has a Novoton Super IO chip. This is one of the dangerous parts of repair I don't like. Everything seems okay. I think I'm gonna put it all together, and we'll be back to tell you that it's working. That it is working. The most important thing, that it is working. Putting in the DC jack, and I like cleaning, taking off dust from my system, my computer system, because I want proper ventilation. This is so big. I want a smaller brush here. Yeah, you can see. Keeping it tidy. Keeping it tidy. I'll put back in the speaker wires. Make sure that's in place. So, scissors. Let me grab one of the nuts to fit in. Good. That's okay. Ensure that the Wi-Fi is well connected. Put back. I'm still going to use this hard disk. I'm going to look for a better hard disk supporter, but I think I used to have one. I would look for one, but it won't be on this video, please. Like I said, this is my first video. I just want to see. Oh my God, this is not the right one, but I'm going to look for the right one. I should have it. Just connected the. Let me see if the battery is also charged. Let's see. The battery is totally dead. But I'm going to leave the shot for a while. Let me see again. Let me see the performance, and I want to measure again the battery current. The battery looks completely dead. Well, I'm going to replace the battery and I'll show you the computer in the next video. Thank you for watching once again, and before going, let's switch it on. Fan is spinning, it's turning on very well. Loading windows, you can see, loading windows. It's loading the window. Putting it up to run again. I'm testing the battery current and see. I think the battery will charge, but you need some time. Because most time, once the battery is kept for long without charge, it will behave this way. But it has actually increased from 15.96 to 0.97, but I think the charging power is low. Well, in any way, if it is that low, I will replace the battery. What I care about is that it's working. And now we have image. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel as I'll be bringing you more videos in the coming days. But your subscription will go a long way in encouraging me to do more videos. It's not an easy task. I have a lot of work to do. I'm a designer, I'm a programmer, and this might be good for some of us. Okay, thanks for watching and have a nice day. Hello, in continuation to the repair, I told you at that time that the battery is actually too down. You can see from the power supply, it is charging at 1.7 amperes, which means the battery is good. So I'm going to check the battery now. Here is my multimeter, so you can see. Okay, let me put it this way. This is not too good. Come on. You can see. It is charging, but it's charging very slowly. The battery is good. One other thing I want to do is to see how good the battery is. You can see, I just removed the you can see the battery has a very low percentage. Thank you for watching again, and I'm going to assemble it, and that's it. Okay, thank you.